Welcome to the world of Eve Pacific. I'm Noble Woods, your partner in evolution. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the heart of artificial intelligence and automation. In the ever-evolving digital marketing landscape, AI SEO tools are revolutionizing search engine optimization, helping you stay ahead of the competition. These advanced technologies can significantly enhance your website's performance, from AI-driven SEO to AI keyword research. This video delves into how AI SEO tools are transforming various aspects of SEO, including on-page optimization, competitive analysis, predictive search trends, content optimization, and SEO automation. AI-driven SEO. AI-driven SEO involves leveraging artificial intelligence to improve various aspects of search engine optimization. These tools analyze large data sets to identify patterns, predict trends, and provide actionable insights to enhance a website's performance. Businesses can achieve more accurate and efficient results by integrating AI into SEO strategies. According to a study by Bright Edge, 60% of marketers already use AI in their SEO strategies, indicating the growing importance of AI-driven SEO in the digital marketing landscape. By incorporating AI into your SEO practices, you can automate routine tasks, gain deeper insights, and stay ahead of the competition. AI-driven tools can help you identify the most relevant keywords, optimize your content, and monitor your site's performance in real time. This technology enables you to make data-driven decisions that enhance your site's visibility and ranking on search engines, ultimately driving more organic traffic to your site. AI keyword research. Keyword research is a critical component of SEO, and AI tools are making this process faster and more accurate. AI-driven keyword research tools analyze large datasets to find the best terms to target. These tools can identify long-tail keywords and conversational phrases, vital for modern search behaviors, such as voice search. Popular AI keyword research tools like SEMrush, Moz, and Ahrefs provide insights into search trends, keyword difficulty, and competitive analysis. According to Statista, voice commerce sales in the United States are expected to reach $40 billion by 2022, highlighting the importance of targeting conversational keywords. AI keyword research tools not only save time but also provide a more comprehensive analysis of search behaviors. These tools can uncover niche keywords that may have been overlooked, giving you an edge over competitors. By understanding the search intent behind these keywords, you can create content that better meets the needs of your audience, improving both your search rankings and user engagement. On-page optimization. On-page optimization involves improving the content and structure of a website to make it more appealing to search engines. AI tools significantly enhance on-page optimization by automating tasks like meta tag creation, internal linking, and content analysis. These tools use natural language processing to ensure content aligns with search engine requirements and user intent, improving overall quality and relevance. A study by HubSpot found that businesses that prioritize on-page SEO are 13 times more likely to see a positive return on investment. With AI-driven on-page optimization, you can ensure that every element of your web page is optimized for search engines and users. AI tools can analyze your content for keyword density, readability, and relevance, providing suggestions for improvement. They can also help you identify technical SEO issues, such as broken links or slow page load times that could negatively impact your site's performance. By addressing these issues, you can improve your site's user experience and search engine ranking. AI competitive analysis. Understanding your competitors' strategies is crucial for staying ahead in the SEO game. AI-driven competitive analysis tools automate the collection and examination of competitor data, providing deeper insights into their strengths and weaknesses. Tools like SmartWriter analyze competitors' content, keywords, and backlink profiles, helping businesses craft better strategies and identify exploitable gaps. According to a report by Gartner, competitive analysis using AI can improve marketing ROI by up to 30%. AI competitive analysis tools can help you stay one step ahead of your competitors by providing real-time data and insights. These tools can monitor changes in your competitors' SEO strategies, alerting you to new opportunities or threats. By understanding what works for your competitors, you can refine your own strategies to achieve better results. Additionally, AI tools can help you identify new market trends and emerging competitors, allowing you to adapt your strategies accordingly. AI predictive search trends. Predictive search trends offer a glimpse into the future, allowing businesses to create relevant content ahead of their competitors. AI tools use predictive analytics to forecast popular keywords and topics based on historical data and current patterns. Platforms like SEMrush provide insights into keyword trends, helping businesses stay ahead of changing search behaviors and algorithm updates. According to a report by PwC, businesses that use predictive analytics are 2.9 times more likely to outperform their peers in terms of profitability. By leveraging predictive search trends, you can ensure that your content remains relevant and timely. AI tools can help you anticipate shifts in search behaviors and adjust your content strategy accordingly. This proactive approach allows you to capture emerging search traffic before your competitors, driving more organic traffic to your site. Additionally, predictive analytics can help you optimize your content for seasonal trends or upcoming events, ensuring that your site stays ahead of the curve. Content optimization with AI tools like Phrase help in crafting high-quality content and optimizing it in real time. These tools provide precise keyword suggestions, ensure originality by checking for plagiarism, and analyze writing style to make improvements. Real-time optimization ensures that content remains relevant, engaging, and performs well in search rankings. A survey by Content Marketing Institute found that 77% of marketers believe that AI-driven content optimization significantly improves their content marketing efforts. With AI-driven content optimization, you can ensure that your content meets the highest standards of quality and relevance. AI tools can analyze your content for keyword usage, readability, and overall structure, providing actionable suggestions for improvement. These tools can also help you identify gaps in your content, ensuring that you provide comprehensive information that meets the needs of your audience. By optimizing your content in real time, you can improve your site's search engine ranking and user engagement. SEO automation. SEO automation with AI boosts efficiency and scalability in digital marketing. AI tools automate routine tasks like data collection, analysis, and reporting, allowing marketers to focus on strategic planning. Tools like Surfer SEO and ChatGPT help create SEO content briefs and optimize content, ensuring it stays updated and relevant without constant manual review. According to a report by McKinsey, automation can reduce the time spent on repetitive tasks by up to 30%. SEO automation allows you to scale your SEO efforts without sacrificing quality. AI tools can handle the tedious, repetitive tasks involved in SEO, freeing up your time for more strategic activities. These tools can also provide real-time insights and recommendations, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that enhance your site's performance. By automating your SEO processes, you can achieve better results with less effort, driving more organic traffic to your site. AI and digital marketing. Integrating AI into digital marketing strategies enhances various aspects of campaign management and execution. AI-powered tools streamline processes, provide deeper insights, and enable more personalized and efficient marketing efforts. From automating content creation to optimizing ad campaigns, AI is a game changer in digital marketing. According to Salesforce, 57% of marketers use AI in at least one part of their marketing strategy, and this number is expected to grow. AI tools can transform your digital marketing efforts by providing more accurate and actionable insights. These tools can analyze vast amounts of data to identify trends, predict outcomes, and optimize your campaigns in real time. AI can also help you personalize your marketing efforts, ensuring that you deliver the right message to the right audience at the right time. By integrating AI into your digital marketing strategy, you can improve your campaign performance and achieve better results. Enhancing online reputation. AI tools assist in managing online reputation by tracking and responding to reviews and feedback promptly. This ensures that businesses maintain a positive online presence and address any issues that arise quickly, enhancing customer trust and satisfaction. According to Bright Local, 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations, highlighting the importance of managing online reputation effectively. AI tools can help you monitor your online reputation in real time, alerting you to new reviews or feedback as soon as they appear. These tools can also analyze the sentiment behind customer reviews, helping you understand your customers' needs and concerns. By responding to reviews promptly and professionally, you can improve your online reputation and build customer trust. Additionally, AI tools can help you identify trends in customer feedback, allowing you to make data-driven decisions that enhance your products or services. Personalized marketing. AI systems monitor customer behavior and preferences, providing insights for personalized marketing campaigns. By analyzing data from various touchpoints, AI tools help businesses tailor their marketing efforts to individual customers, improving engagement and conversion rates. A report by Epsilon found that personalized emails deliver 6 times higher transaction rates than non-personalized emails. Personalized marketing is all about delivering the right message to the right audience at the right time. AI tools can help you achieve this by analyzing customer data to identify patterns and preferences. These tools can then use this information to create personalized marketing campaigns that resonate with your audience. Whether it's personalized email campaigns, targeted ads, or customized content, AI can help you deliver more relevant and engaging marketing messages that drive higher conversion rates. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics uses historical data to forecast future trends and user behavior. AI tools analyze vast amounts of data quickly, spotting patterns that humans might miss. This allows businesses to anticipate changes in the market and adjust their strategies accordingly, staying ahead of the competition. According to a survey by Forrester, companies that adopt predictive analytics have a 73% higher likelihood of achieving higher sales and profit margins. By leveraging predictive analytics, you can make more informed decisions that drive better business outcomes. AI tools can analyze historical data to identify trends and predict future outcomes. This allows you to anticipate market changes, optimize your strategies, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether it's forecasting demand, predicting customer behavior, or identifying new opportunities, predictive analytics can help you make data-driven decisions that enhance your business performance. AI-driven content creation. AI content creation tools like Koala.ai generate compelling articles, social media posts, and more, maintaining a cohesive brand message across all platforms. These tools use advanced machine learning to understand business needs and produce content that aligns with the brand voice, ensuring consistency and relevance. According to a report by Markets and Markets, the AI content creation market is expected to grow from $367 million in 2019 to $1.5 billion by 2024. Koala.ai is revolutionizing the way businesses create content. By leveraging advanced AI algorithms, Koala.ai can generate high-quality content that resonates with your audience and maintains your brand's voice. This tool can help you create everything from blog posts and articles to social media updates and marketing copy, ensuring that your content is always fresh, engaging, and relevant. By automating the content creation process, Koala.ai allows you to scale your content marketing efforts and achieve better results. Building authority with AI. AI enhances a website's authority by optimizing backlink strategies. AI-powered tools like Neuron Writer and Surfer SEO identify high-quality backlinks, assess their impact on rankings, and suggest new link-building opportunities. This strengthens the website's link profile, improving its search engine performance. According to Ahrefs, the top-ranking pages on Google have an average of 3.8 times more backlinks than the pages in positions 2 through 10. Building authority is crucial for improving your site's search engine ranking and driving organic traffic. AI tools can help you identify and acquire high-quality backlinks, which are essential for building authority. These tools can analyze your competitors' backlink profiles, identify potential link-building opportunities, and provide recommendations for improving your own link profile. By leveraging AI to build authority, you can improve your site's visibility and ranking on search engines. Embracing future SEO trends. AI is reshaping the future of SEO, making it more efficient and insightful. Businesses can stay ahead of the game by forecasting trends and adapting to new AI technologies. Understanding future trends and embracing new AI-driven SEO tools ensure businesses remain competitive and achieve long-term success. According to a report by Business Insider, AI is expected to add $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with a significant portion coming from improvements in marketing and SEO. By embracing future SEO trends, you can ensure that your SEO strategies remain effective and relevant. AI tools can help you anticipate changes in search engine algorithms, identify emerging search trends, and adapt your strategies accordingly. This proactive approach allows you to stay ahead of the competition and achieve long-term success. By staying informed about future SEO trends and leveraging AI-driven tools, you can ensure that your business remains competitive in the ever-evolving digital marketing landscape. There you have it. AI SEO tools are transforming the way businesses approach search engine optimization. AI-driven solutions offer unprecedented precision and efficiency, from keyword research and on-page optimization to competitive analysis and predictive search trends. By integrating these tools into your digital marketing strategy, you can enhance your website's performance, stay ahead of the competition, and achieve greater success. At Eve Pacific Media, we specialize in integrating AI into your marketing strategies. As a digital marketing and AI automation agency, we provide tailored solutions that enhance your marketing efforts, making them more efficient and profitable. Whether you need help with data analysis, personalization, automation, predictive analytics, or content creation, we've got you covered. Ready to revolutionize your content with AI? Contact Eve Pacific Media for a consultation. Visit evepacificmedia.com to learn more about our services. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay